You think he's cool with him?
Yes. Do I look discreet? Is the light on the camera?
Do I look discreet? The light on the camera? How are you? Where did Jake take hold?
What?
I think you're getting out of here.
No, he's like taking hold. Shut up. Oh, you're not even part of this group. You should go the fuck away. To Brandy?
Shut up, I can't hear the song.
Yeah.
Sorry, Hogan.
Catch him on camera? He is. You were lying.
Wow. You don't want him to know. Dickhead.
You should go on American Best Dancer.
We got a little party over here.
Done.